that completes the service, really. Seems good to go. Should start it right up. Took 2 cranks, but start it right up. This is a fuel return. Comes back in here. So what you do is you open the cap, and if you're not fully full all the way up, you'll see the fuel returning, which is good. You want a good steady stream. You don't want it dripping. And we're in shape. Just make sure none of the filters are dripping. Those seals are good. Wipe them down. Let it run. I like pumping the throttle, which is a pull throttle. Set that right before you start it. We get a little white smoke. You pump that right before you start her up. Dirt there. Don't even really need paint. And all the other paints pieces are here, painted, and that's our 250-hour service on my little Cat 300. Any questions, let me know, guys. Thank you.